Hi guys, welcome to this video about crypto scammer on YouTube. I have already made a video about that, but unfortunately I couldn't find any sample of these guys on YouTube. I just found it on Trustpilot, and now I have found exactly the same thing which I was telling you about. What happened a lot in the last couple of months has a little bit stopped now because looks like YouTube was cracking down on them, but no, didn't help. Maybe they have opened new accounts, I don't know. Here is a guy which you can see. This guy has wrote a lot of information about not totally nonsense. And finally he gave an email address, this one here, and even a Telegram, and yeah, it's definitely time again to report these guys because it's total scam. They said he probably has made a lot of money. I mean, because before I report it, I will definitely look into the details, but it looks like very similar, same thing. I mean, immediately you can see this guy was posting this, and immediately same time, as you can see, this was 5 hours ago, and this is also 5 hours ago, 5 hours. This is probably, that's even a bot which they programmed, which automatically responds immediately after they post this. There are other people right away coming and confirming that this was correct, and they give endless thumbs up, and telling exactly the same. Yeah, it's so fantastic, they helped me, and now I'm a rich guy, I'm a millionaire, blah blah blah. It's absolutely crazy. If you're interested, I will copy the URL for you. Maybe they haven't reported, so you can still see the thing. Maybe it's already gone. Yeah, it's absolutely insane. Especially this guy here, I contacted him, and I am already 2 months into trading with him. I started trading with 1.5 Bitcoin. Now I can boost of a handful of 7 Bitcoins. Ha ha ha. Nobody ever believes these things. This is absolutely impossible. It's a joke. It's a scam. I can absolutely guarantee. Don't trust to such guys. It's absolutely insane that YouTube isn't banning all these guys. I don't understand why they are leaving these comments so long. It's crazy. So I mean, anyway, I keep this video short. I can only recommend to not fall to these guys, even when it sounds really tempting. But as you know, if something is too good to be true, it's not true, definitely. And if you are in a loss now from bear market, I mean, now things have been started recovering, and if you are holding for next couple of months or years, there's a really good chance that you can recover all the losses without trusting to doubtful guys. I mean, this is not trading suggestion or recommendation from my side. It's only hope that it will recover. I'm not a professional financial advisor. Always when investing, do your own research, your own due diligence. But I'm really confident for myself. I will definitely keep holding next couple of months and probably even years. because I'm still very confident about the whole market, and I will never ever trust such a guy. I mean, I have seen so many people losing money with such guys. Yeah, please stay safe and stay away from such guys. So yeah, I wanted to keep it short, so I close the video for now. Hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.